Good morning, everyone. I am Shraddha. So let's talk about today's market outlook. Today, SGX Nifty is giving us a flat opening indication as SGX Nifty is at 15,840.80 levels, lower 30.35 points. US market had shown a downward movement yesterday, so today you will be able to see a bit negative impact on Asian markets. So in this case, let's see what should be your strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty finds support around 15,800 while 15,950 will act as resistance. Talking about Bank Nifty, then Bank Nifty finds support around 35,000 while 35,400 will act as resistance. Let's see ideas for intraday traders in cash intraday. You can buy Elecon at 129.50. Stop loss you can keep at 127. Target you can keep at 132. For derivative future call intraday, you can buy Indiabulls Housing Finance future at 312.50. Stop loss you can keep at 310. Target you can keep at 315. Calls which were given on 15 June, cash intraday CDSL, derivative future call intraday Godrej CP future, both have achieved their targets. Derivative option call intraday, if we talk about, we had suggested for Bajaj Finance 6200 CE. Close the position as stop loss hits. So let's talk about stock and news for the day. Firstly, KSE International Limited, Lupin and HDFC Bank. KSE International Limited, a global infrastructure EPC major and RPG group company, has secured new orders of 937 crores across its various businesses. Talking about Lupin, Life Insurance Corporation of India acquired 2.019% stake in Lupin via open market transaction, raising stake to 6.629% from 4.61%. HDFC Bank said that the board of directors in a meeting scheduled on Friday will consider a proposal for the recommendation of a dividend on the equity shares of bank for Q4 financial year 21. Let's talk about results for the day. So firstly, RITES, Asahi India Glass, CESC Commercial Sinbags, DIC India, Kakatia Cement Sugar, Manaxia Steels, Nurica Pratika Auto Industries, Sumani Ceramics and Welspun Enterprises. India's trade deficit rose to $6.28 billion in May from $3.15 billion during the same period a year earlier. Exports rose 69.35% when compared to April 2021. Exports rose by around 5%. The rise in exports came from the growth in sectors such as engineering, petroleum products, and gems and jewelry. Imports fell around 15% from April this year. Let's talk about international markets. So firstly, US markets. US markets closed in the red as Dow Jones loses 100 points, while Nasdaq also closes lower by 100 points after seeing green closes for last 3 days. Bond yields closed at 1.49%, while crude oil prices hit a 3-year high. Asian markets, if we talk about, in Asian markets were trading marginally lower and expected to trade sideways till the Federal Reserve policy tonight in the US. That's it for morning outlook. Post market hours, we will meet again with closing updates. So don't miss to join us today at 5:30 p.m. in evening. And also do not forget to subscribe our 5 Paisa channel. Stay tuned. Bye.